Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some cheesy buttermilk southern biscuit. This guys was eaten with some actually some spicy honey butter fried fish. Look, forget chicken. This right here is absolutely divine. All right, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right into this video. We are going to add everything to this food processor, excluding the butter. Pulse this up. Looks amazing. Then we're going to add our chill butter and continue to pulse until it looks like this. Then we're going in with our buttermilk. And I'm using a little spatula here to pull everything together first. Correct measurements, guys, will be in the description box. Then we're going to turn this out into a clean floured work surface. We're not going to overwork the dough. We're just going to make sure everything is pulled together nicely. And I'm going to use the tip of my fingers and actually fold this and press this out. This actually gives it the layers and makes it so much fluffier. You can add a little bit of butter or not, but you continue to do this for about 2 minutes. Then you use your biscuit cutter, first down, go up. Guys, this looks so amazing. I can't wait to dig in. Awesome. You can see the layers already in that biscuit. Then there I have some mayonnaise and a little bit of milk. And I'm going to brush the top of my biscuit before baking. Once again, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And this is what our biscuit looks like. You are going to brush the top with some beautiful melted butter. You can add just a little bit of honey if you like. I'm just using the plain butter here. You can see all the cheese, the specks of cheese and the green onions. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so delicious. Oh, and it was, honey. That fish is dripping with that spicy honey butter sauce. This was just out of this world. This is my new favorite biscuit recipe. Thank you guys again so much for your support and for spending the time with me today. Again, do not forget to share, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching this video from. I can shout you out in my next video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Enjoy.